Thanks everyone. So as Jerry mentioned, I'm the RevitJedi. That's my alternate ego or my alias, as I'm otherwise known as. As I mentioned in the last session, the reason I started this was when I used to be a Autodesk instructor, I needed a platform that I could use to present information and share information, my thoughts, quick tips and tricks on instructions on Revit. What I have recently found though was I'm moving more now towards being a BIM Jedi. So actually as of next year I'm going to switch names, I'm going to make it the BIM Jedi. What I have found at RTC, AU is that I've lost my edge on Revit. There's many more people out there that are more pushing the boundaries of Revit technology better than I am. And my focus now is changed and more with integration with BIM as a whole. So using the building performance analysis tools, using the add-on tools, what do I have next? Those kind of things. So that's my focus. That's a little bit about me and the RevitJedi. My blog talks mostly about BIM. I still do a little bit of Revit instruction, but it's more now about process, communication tools, procedures, anything that helps develop a team relationship for any type of Revit project and process. What else do I have on here? So, what are the goals of the RevitJedi? Why I started the Revit blog I just mentioned. BIM enlightenment for all. That's my goal. It's my ultimate goal. I want everybody to be just like we were in the old days in AutoCAD. Everybody was basically very familiar with the platform and with the environment. So if we can adopt that with BIM, the technology is developing and progressing so fast. Every day there's something new coming out and we're pushing it further and further beyond what we ever thought we were capable of. And actually as I stand here today, I'm getting a set of Ocular Rift goggles delivered to my home, so as a firm we can start exploring virtual reality as part of our design process. I never would have thought of doing that even 5 years ago, you know, let alone 10 years ago. So BIM enlightenment for all, for the whole process, going beyond the basics. We're all beyond the basics of learning AutoCAD now, or learning Revit now. It's beyond that now. If you're not utilizing all the features in Revit and all the features in BIM, we're missing the boat. There's larger companies out there that are utilizing it more effectively than we are. We need to keep current and keep doing that as a process. BIM for all for BIM. That's what it's all about. It's that collaboration process. And then changing the construction industry. The technology is changing, the design's changing, the processes are changing. What we need to do now is drag the industry standards, kicking and screaming, forward with us as a technology. Building better buildings. We have a social responsibility now, not just being directed by LEED or Living Building Challenge, but we have a social responsibility to produce better buildings more efficiently and more effectively. And we have the tools and the capability to do that with BIM, right? Even with the basic building performance analysis software, so we can analyze one design and compare it to the other one. Thanks. So, make sense of your drawing workflow. You saw this slide in the last presentation. Gather up all of your resources, lay them down, figure out a way to incorporate them into your processes just to create efficiencies in your company. And thanks for attending. Hope you enjoyed today's presentation. And I'm available anytime during the conference. Feel free to come up and ask me questions. I'm an open book. I love sharing content and information and love talking about this. Thank you very much.